All right, this is small block truck pulling. Bring what you, or pull what you bring. And that's what some of these are, and you're going to notice some difference in them as I look down through the sheet here. You're going to notice a little difference. This is Hunter Payne out of Cambridge. And Hunter will be on his GMC 1500. He'll be your test puller. I'm sure he'll maybe be back. I don't know. Some of these guys like to pull twice, so we'll see what Hunter can do. So far, it's not done. Right there for Hunter Payne.